Hello, and because I love this palette so much, we're going to use it again today. I'm also aware that he's on my head. He likes it. We're gonna leave him. I think I want to do these purples today. Yeah, I'm going in with Lilac Hue right in the crease and blending it upward. Okay, now we're taking Sweet Lilac and just blending it around the same area and concentrating this one. Now we're taking the NYX White Pearl base and putting that right in this area to prep for the shimmers. Now we're taking Purple Orchid and going right here with it on a brush for now, and then right on the outer part, and then I'm going to go in with my fingers and make it look better. Now we're going to take Flower Top right on our finger and go right in the middle and blend it between the other color. So this is the eye look currently. We're going to finish up the face and then we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. What do you think? I love it. I feel beautiful. Hamilton loves it.